Hey there everyone! Looking for a way to install Ksign on your iOS device? Well, look no further cause in today's video I will show you how to install the latest updated Ksign on iOS without any revoked. This guide works on the latest iOS versions, and I'll try to keep it as simple and beginner-friendly as possible so anyone can follow along. So make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a few tips that can help prevent common installation problems. If this video helps you out, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future iOS tutorials, app installs, and sign-in guides. Now let's get straight into the installation process. So guys, the first step would be to simply open my website linked in the description below. Then simply go to the signers page. Once on the signers page, simply download the skipd tech DNS. This is the safest and best DNS that helps prevent any revokes. Simply download the Mediafire file, then install the profile. Simply click on Allow. Next, simply go ahead and open Settings, then go to VPN and Device Management, and then install the profile. Once installed, this web clip should appear on your home screen. Next, simply go ahead and open my website once again. Still in the signers page, navigate to Ksign and then choose one of the install options. If one doesn't work, simply use any other one. Simply click Install. Now wait for Ksign to install on your home screen. Once installed, if you click on it, it should give this error. Now simply go to Setting and then VPN and Device Management and then trust the certificate and then restart your device. Once restarted, Ksign should begin working and you can now install any IPA file you want to. As you guys can see, the SUD is working. Now to install any IPA file, simply go to Files. Click the plus icon on the top and then choose your IPA file. Click on it, then click on Open. Then click on the imported file, then choose Import to Library. Now go to Apps, then choose it, and then simply sign and install the app. Now it should begin working. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to Amaazbots, and turn on post notifications. If you run into any issues during the installation, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try to help you out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace!